my god. This is a whole another level
Do you want to go over there where the sun
beaches.
is? Or do you want to go...
I want to hide.
So,
8:30 and we are going for an hour drive to Porto Katsiki. Getting out of the village. And see you in an hour.
it's always beautiful.
So high.
Oh my god, look. You're about to see now how high.
Whoa.
I can't even look.
Looks like one of those car ads when they like go around the mountains.
Yeah. I can't even look, honey. And there's no like barriers.
No. Heaps.
Why
heaps
would they?
safe. Just a few trees.
Man, if a car goes off that, you're pretty much over. Little, another village, pretty large one too, really, by the looks of it. Wow, beautiful village.
Yes, us.
20 k's from Porto Katsiki. So the half an hour, honey.
That's right.
It's a nice little
Basketball
village.
court. It's a nice village, this one. Big one.
Beautiful, yeah, it is.
It's a nice one.
It's a nice one. The heaps close to Porto Cats.
Oh shit, yeah, I was there.
Oh, I slapped her.
Oh dear. I just snapped to the face.
Different part of the world.
Rocks, rainforests, and beaches all in one. Beatboxes.
Yeah, sure. Yep. Começa? Okay.
Everyone parks so fucking tired, eh? $10 parking.
Where do we go?
We walk down. Walk down there.
Yeah.
A little cafe. Can you hold this, honey? As well.
Yeah.
Just put everything in there. Oh, we did it. We're back. I don't know. Do you remember walking last time? It was so steep.
Yeah.
Oh my god. There's boat. Oh my god. You're back. Oh my gosh. Gotta be really careful. Oh my god. This is a whole another level
Do you want to go over there where the
of
sun
beaches.
is? Or do you want to go
I want to hide.
just right where we are?
Hide away. They're already hiding away. Oh, let's go in the little toilet. I don't want to go on the rock. There's a rock. Wow. Pretty light. We're pale compared to some of these people here. Yeah.
Lump ourselves right here, I guess. Oh, these rocks are gorgeous here.
Wow, look at these rocks up there. Gotta be really dangerous because they fall down. Come up there. Hence why there's these little makeshift fences up. Because it actually happens. We watched one fall down the other day. Incredible. All pebbles, rocks, no sand, maybe some fish. So crystal clear. Ah. Whoa. Getting dragged in. Oh my god, oh my gosh. Let's just scooch back up. Can't get better than this. Heaps of people coming in. Oh. Keep getting pulled back.
Yeah, I know, it's shady.
Yeah.
So it's starting to get here packed. Like hundreds of people now. Everywhere. People sneak in to find spots like right in between your legs. Check that out. Constant people coming down the stairs right there. It's incredible. Just want to lay down and do nothing. And just stare at the rocks. Shit, more people. It's insane. Anyways, Might have to come back a bit later.
Please come back another day.
Tomorrow. We'll come back tomorrow.
I don't mind. I don't mind coming back tomorrow.
Do you know what would be good if we come back at night?
Oh,
Like sunset.
yeah.
Just got back up and the car park is packed. We're the only 3 cars here. And it is packed. And there's more car park over there. Jeez, we made it back we made it up here just in time. Constant cars. Wow. I'm out of breath. It's a steep walk, especially after swimming. Knackered.
Oh, man.
Knackered. Anyway, time to go back to the village and have a snackaroni. Maybe a cafe. Too many tourists. This is such a tight car park. But lucky we have a little car. People trying to find car parks everywhere. And then you have to walk like a million bloody steps. But got a professional driver over here, so it doesn't matter anyways.
Exactly.
Better off nothing.
Better off you.
Oh well. We've got to go all the way up down there. The mountains. The mountains? They're only small. The sun's only small. I don't even know where the exit is because it looked so different before. Yeah, we're thrusting.
Wow, fucking insane.
Those parking. Chaos. Absolute chaos. Bye.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They make a ton now.
Bye. And that was Porto Katsiki. We'll be back, but look, there's more people parking. So if you want to be a cheapskate, save a bit of Lefkada, you can park along the road, like these.
Just for €10 be done.
Like these buckets.
Hey, if you find one here, good luck to you.
Yeah. If you're brave enough. How was that? Good?
Amazing, amazing.
It's a good one. It's a good one, that one. That's a good one. Okay, Sonic jumps in.
Oh, okay.
Just stopping along the side of the road. What town is this?
Exanthia.
Exanthia. Incredible. Let's have a look. Wow. How amazing is that? Ja, Saskilo.
Ευχαριστώ. Γεια σας. Wow.